How to fix Palworld 1.0 is crashing on Steam. So first, you want to go to your library, right-click on the game and open up the properties. Now in the launch options, you want to add -dx11, and then go to installed files and verify the game files. Now once this is completed, you can close Steam completely. Next, you want to open up your browser and navigate to this link, which is going to be in the description below. Now from the redistributable table, you will need to get the 86 and the 64 installer and install both of them. That will require a computer restart when you're done. Now, right after restarting a computer, you want to basically check if you have the latest GPU driver update as well. So you can open up the NVIDIA app if you're running an NVIDIA GPU, or you can use the AMD software. And from here, check for the latest available updates and install them. Next, what you'll usually need to do is right-click on Steam and run as admin, and then just launch Palworld from the library. Now that usually should solve the crash problem if you're having crash after the startup. But if you have a crash as soon as you launch the game, it's usually due to overlays. So you can go to Steam and then settings. Now from here, you want to scroll down and look for in-game and turn off the overlay right here. You should also turn off the overlay for other things, such as the NVIDIA app. Go to the settings and then turn off the overlay. And if you also have AMD overlay, you can turn it off. Next, you also need to check Discord. So you can go to user settings, and then you want to scroll down and click on game overlay and turn it off from here. And if you have MSI Riva static tuner installed in your computer, or the MSI afterburner, basically, you also want to make sure to turn off that overlay. And once you're done, you want to basically right-click on Steam and run it again as admin, and then launch the game from your library. And this should solve the crash as well at the startup. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.